Hello, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today we're going to be unboxing the new XIAOMI 14T Pro. So this phone is pretty new. It came out in September 26th of 2024, and it's a pretty big phone. So it has 6.67 inches and it's 160 by 75 centimeters. So let's start with the unboxing. So when we open the box, you can see the packaging. So there's this little box that has all of the additional stuff. So if we just pull all of it out, that's it. We get papers and we get a charging cable and a case. So this is the case and this is the charger. So this is a pretty fast charger. You can charge your phone at 120 watts wired and 50 watts wireless. So that's like 100% in 19 minutes with wired, and with wireless that's 100% in 45 minutes. So it's pretty fast. Unfortunately, this phone doesn't come with a brick for the charging, so you're going to have to get that yourself. And this is the cable. It's USB-C to USB-A. So this phone is USB-C, so you connect this end. And this is the cable. So the next thing is the phone itself. So it comes in a few colors. There's Titan Gray, Titan Blue, and Titan Black. This is the Titan Black version. As you can see, it has 3 cameras. So 50 megapixels wide, 12 megapixels ultra wide, and the selfie camera is 32 megapixels. So there is no, you can see there's the USB-C entrance, but there is no 3.5, so you cannot connect your headphones that have 3.5 on it. There's the SIM tray, and it's pretty slim. It's got these ridges or edges that kind of remind me of the iPhones. So for example, this is the iPhone 15, and you can see that these are they look about the same. So that's that. And the screen itself is 144 hertz, 1220 by 2712 pixels. It's pretty heavy, 209 grams. It has a 4000 nits on the screen, so it's pretty bright and like on the when you're outside. Comes with 12 or 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage. The camera can record at 8K and 30 FPS or 4K 60. And there's also the under display fingerprint scanner about here. And that's about it. This is the phone. And thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.